Welcome to College Applications, UC and CSU Systems. The agenda are the high school counselor, the UC and CSU Systems, A to G requirements, the UC application, the CSU application, cost of attendance, to-do list, tools, and resources. I am your counselor, Christina Strother, and this is my information. The UC, which is the University of California and California State University Systems, consist of four-year public universities in the state of California. The UCs and CSUs are considered in-state schools for California residents. Admission priority is given to in-state students who meet the minimum requirements. And as you can see, the two maps are the UC system is on the right in yellow, and the CSU system is on the left. University of California, UC Berkeley, UC Davis, Irvine, Los Angeles, Merced, Riverside, San Diego, San Francisco, Santa Barbara, and Santa Cruz. UCFS only offers graduate professional programs. All other UC campuses offer both undergrad and graduate education programs. The California State University system are all the ones listed here. The A to G requirements. A to G requirements are the requirements needed for students to meet the minimum and also the suggested recommended requirements to get into the four-year universities. It consists of history and social science for 2 years, English for 4 years, math for 3 years, however, 4 years is the recommended. Lab sciences, which include a biological science and physical science. And again, 2 years are what are required, however, 3 years are recommended. 2 years of the same language, however, you could take 3 to 4 years of the same language. Visual and performing arts, which is only 1 year, and a college preparatory elective, which is also 1 year. 11 of the 15 courses must be completed before the last year of high school. So by junior year, students should have completed at least 11 of the 15. And there is a guide which you can look up on the internet for the A to G requirements. Competitive applications will go above and beyond the minimum admission requirements. And also, the grade of a C or better is required for all classes. Materials you'll need: student records, an official copy of your high school transcript, which can be obtained in your TCS school portal, college transcripts if applicable, if you've done concurrent enrollment and or dual enrollment, course titles and grades of high school courses taken during middle school, optional or test scores, your ACT and SAT. SAT subject tests are no longer a part of the SAT as of the 21-22 school year. AP exams and IB exams, we do not have the interbaccalaureate exams. So AP exams, we do have classes that you can take advanced placement. A brag sheet, your awards and honors, extracurricular activities, and volunteer activities, your personal information. UC admission requirements. Again, you need to have a minimum of 15 A to G courses with a C or better. 11 courses must be completed by the end of junior year. A 3.0 GPA. California applicants must earn a 3.0 GPA or better. Non-residents must earn a 3.4 GPA or better. ACT and SAT test scores. California residents, statewide guarantee. If you rank in the top 9% of California graduates, you'll be guaranteed a spot at a UC campus if space is available. For more information, review the statewide guarantee page. UC Applications, Undergraduate Admissions Application Guide, Admission Requirements, and the application link. There is also a $70 fee per UC campus that you apply to. And you can apply for a fee waiver if your family meets the income requirements. About you, contact information, citizenship and residency, and your contact information, you need to use your legal name. Your legal name can be that which is on your birth certificate and or one that you had legally changed. Demographics, your background, your household, and parent information. Campuses and majors. Choose a campus, choose a major, and an alternate major. Some majors will require supplemental information. Check whether your campus is available, your major is available on the campus. Self-report your high school courses. Make sure course titles, grades, credits, dates are accurate. Ask your teacher or counselor for an unofficial high school transcript to help with this step. Again, this is something you can obtain through your TCS portal, your unofficial high school transcript. Enter any college courses you've taken. Your ACT, SAT scores, SAT subject test, again, those are no longer something that's there. You may have taken one or two prior to the 2021-22 school year, so those would be able to be submitted. AP exams, IB exams, again, it's not something that we have, but if you were at a school that previously had that, you're able to submit that. UC application, activities and awards, award or honor, educational preparation program, extracurricular activity, volunteer and community experience, and work experience. Scholarships and programs, select any and all scholarship categories that apply to you. Indicate if you're interested in the Educational Opportunity Program. EOP, there's also certain requirements in order to get into the EOP, so make sure you review that. Personal insight questions. You need to respond to 4 out of the 8 questions. Choose questions that are most relevant to your experience, maximum of 354 words for each response. Questions are already available. So this is something you can look up now and see what the personal insight questions are to start getting a bit of a head start, if you will, on what is needed to answer those appropriately. Review and submit. If you still have items to complete, you'll see a to-do next to each section. Review your information carefully and submit your application. UC application dates. August 1st is when the application opens. October 1st, FAFSA filing period until March 2nd. November 1st through the 30th is your application filing period, and then the application is due by November 30th. Notification of fall admission decisions, March through May. July 1st and 15th is your official transcripts are due. July 15th, exam results due. CSU admission requirements. A to G coursework, a minimum of 15 A to G courses with a C or better. 11 courses must be completed by end of junior year. 2.5 GPA, California applicants must earn a 2.5 GPA or better. Non-residents must earn a 3.0 GPA or better. And again, the ACT, SAT test scores are optional. Eligibility Index Table. Grades earned in high school courses are the most important factor in CSU admission decisions. The Eligibility Index will help you determine whether you are eligible for CSU admission. California applicants who earn a 3.0 or better may not need test scores to be admitted. California applicants with a GPA between a 2.0 through a 2.49 may be evaluated for admission based on supplemental factors. Impacted majors and campuses. Impacted CSU majors and campuses may require supplemental criteria. Check your campus for those impacted majors. CSU application, the CSU Freshman Application Guide. There's an admission requirements link, as well as an application link, as well as that $70 application fee per campus that you apply to. Again, there are waivers depending if your family meets the criteria. CSU application, personal information, release statement, biographical information, contact information, citizenship information, race and ethnicity, family information, other information. Academic history, self-report your high school courses. Make sure course titles, grades, credits, dates are accurate. Ask your teacher or counselor for an unofficial high school transcript to help with this step. Enter any college courses you've taken. Supporting information, awards and honors, scholarship, publications, and again, the EOP program. Program materials. Some CSU majors and campuses may require additional information. Upload unofficial transcripts. Review and submit. Review your information carefully and submit your application. CSU application dates. Application opens for fall. FAFSA filing period opens October 1st, as well as the CSU application date. December 4th, fall admission applications are due. February through March, notifications of fall admission decisions, and July 15th, official transcripts due. Deadlines may vary by campus. The cost of attendance. Average cost of UC attendance for California residents. Tuition and fees, this is with living on campus, $14,100. Books and supplies, $1,200. Health insurance allowance fee, $2,800. Room and board, $16,500. Personal transportation, $2,100. So approximate cost is $36,700. If you're living off campus, it's calculated to $34,100. The difference being in the room and board. Cost of attendance, average cost of CSU attendance for California residents. 6.1 and over units per semester, $2,871. If you have a quarter campus, then it's $1,914. Academic year, $5,742. And again, that doesn't take into consideration the room and board and everything else that was calculated into the UC. To-do list for 11th grade, research colleges and programs. Take a demanding, well-rounded course of study. Go beyond the minimum admission requirements. Begin prepping for the SAT or ACT. Consider taking extracurricular activities or engaging in volunteer work. Use research tools to learn about majors, careers, and colleges, and research potential scholarships. 12th grade, visit the colleges and websites. Finalize list of colleges. Consider applying to safety, match, and reach schools. Complete and submit your college application by the deadline. Do not wait until the last minute. Begin working on financial aid and scholarship applications. Again, financial aid opens up October 1st. You should be completing it as close to that date as possible. Don't get senioritis. Stay focused. Keep your grades right. Do the best that you can. Where will you apply? Your safety school, your match school, or your reach school. Safety is when your academic credentials are much better than the typical freshman class range. Your match is when your academic credentials fall within the school's typical freshman class range. Your reach is when your academic credentials fall below the school's typical freshman class range. While these schools are more difficult to get into, other factors may help. Tools and resources, your UC admissions, College Board, CSU admissions, the ACT, and FAFSA. California Colleges, also known as the CCGI, the California Colleges Guidance Initiative. The Big Future is another resource that's available. So you have your different checklists through Big Future. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, my email was given earlier in the presentation, so you can rewind back and see what it is. Otherwise, it's Christina, CHRISTINA, period, Strother, STROTHER, at cottonwoodk12.org. Thank you.